The Watermark lemonade we pour a lot of, so it was certainly one that we wanted to recreate as a non-alcoholic version. We've chosen not to use a spirit alternative in that, but we do use a tea that's a really beautiful, well-balanced drink on its own, and it does resemble our regular Watermark lemonade.
First, we're going to start with 2 ounces of our non-alcoholic lemonade tea mix, which is a lemon balm and elderflower tea mixture. And then 1 ounce of fresh squeezed grapefruit juice, 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and 1 ounce of simple syrup. We're going to ice that. Shake. Ice to our glass. Strain. And then we'll garnish with a lemon wheel and fresh mint sprig. Watermark non-alcoholic lemonade.